Hi guys! Hi everyone! Good morning! Good morning! Alam niyo naman kung anong oras na guys. 3 AM ng madaling araw. At ayan, di pa tayo inaantok. So magchika muna tayo. So yan guys, for today's video, pag-usapan natin si Atasha Mula. Kasi nga, meron pala siyang ginagawang series at siya ang lead role. Kaya pala nagtaka ko, bakit wala si Atasha palagi sa Itbulaga? Yun pala, busy. Meron siyang ginagawang series. At ito siya isang adaptation, no? Isang series sa Thailand. At aabangan natin ko. Kasi parang ang ganda. Parang maganda siya, the way na nilatag nila. Kasi yung title ng series nila is Bad Genius. At si Atasha dito yung lead role. At parang isa siyang scholar na matalino siya, tapos siya yung tumutulong sa mga kaklase niya, at dito niya nalaman na pwede pala niyang pagkakakitaan. So guys, interesting talaga siya, pero panoorin natin yung sinabi ni Atasha Mula.
About it. I already knew that accepting it, I'm going to give my 100%. Wala po akong expectation kung what the result's gonna be, but as long as I can promise myself that I give my 100%, then I'll be super, super happy with that. More so, it's a great story, and it's such an honor and a blessing to be doing this project.